Imagine watching your home go up in flames. While first responders work to contain the fire, your thoughts may turn to, what comes next? The Long Beach Fire Department recently announced a new program that helps fire and disaster victims take those first small steps towards healing.
This day is really important for the city of Long Beach. This is important for those in need who might encounter a firefighter on the worst day of their lives. If they've lost 25% or more of their home, then a lot of times they may not have all the answers, and they might lean on the shoulder of a firefighter. And now the firefighters are equipped with the tools they need to at least help someone make it through the night.
Supplying aid to victims of emergency, or SAVE, lets firefighters provide on-the-spot aid to victims of fire, earthquake, or other disaster. Battalion chiefs will carry the $100 gift cards on residential fire and disaster calls. On calls where property loss meets or exceeds 25% of total value, the SAVE card can be activated right there on the spot.
When we respond to a structure fire, we're very good at getting there fast, putting the fire out fast, and most of the time you come outside after the structure fire and that family or that resident is displaced sitting on the curb. And we notify the Red Cross and other social services to come help, but the reality is they need immediate help right then and there. And what this program does is it gives them $100, which isn't a lot, but it gives them some money to go get food or toiletries or their bare essentials that they can use to begin the rebuilding process as the other agencies come in to offer further help.
SAVE was started by the California Fire Foundation, a nonprofit dedicated to supporting fallen firefighter families and their communities. Financing comes entirely from private and corporate donations, including major sponsorship from Chevron. Long Beach is among 30 fire departments statewide that have joined the SAVE partnership.
Clearly, Long Beach is a big fire department in the state of California. Success here will just breed success throughout the state of California, so we're happy for them to come on board. There's no other state in the United States doing anything like this for fire victims, so it's a unique program. We're pretty proud that the fire service in California stepped up, and we hope the citizens step up too, and so we can expand the program and make it beneficial to every Californian.
Find out more about the Long Beach Fire Department and the SAVE program by visiting longbeach.gov/fire.